This is my pantry. Ridiculous, right? So we're gonna do a clean and organize with me today and get it together. All right. Okay, so that has been 24 minutes and it already looks better, right? So now okay, so this is what I've got. I just kind of put like things with like things. Picked everything up off the ground. We'll put dog food, the dirty clothes. I'm still gonna have to go through and get something else and maybe store stuff down there. But you're supposed to take 30 minutes, or it said 20, but I figured this place was crazy. So I'm gonna need to get something else to store all of our teas and coffee. Those two, I'm gonna fill up the Keurig in the storage thing. Pastas together. I just didn't have, I ran out of time to move this stuff down with the rest of the cooking stuff, but I tried to keep, you know, like things with like things. That's my water because I'm trying to keep drinking water. Got my little snack bins, tortillas, onions and potatoes. These are like condiments that are down there. So really this guy should go down here. Same with the olive oil, paper products, cleaning products. Those two things you probably saw me find. I just kind of put the plants and then I'll replant them later, but I think it looks good in the corner. And then I still have to do the coffee, but I put a couple things, like this is my next project. Oh Lord, but I put the vacuum cleaner back in this closet. Some other stuff back in here. That'll be my next project. But that is all stuff that we need to get rid of.